Want to try Turkish cuisine in Hawaii? Guess what? There is one, a restaurant called Istanbul. And let me tell you, they have wonderful ambience and great food. Welcome, Jettison Crew in Hawaii. In the heart of Honolulu at Ward Center, Istanbul restaurant is very popular in Hawaii. Please like and subscribe to our channel. Thank you. Here to celebrate the new year on season 2 on Jettison Travel Crew. Now here's the menu. And once again, we're talking about Turkish cuisine.
Alright, good day, Jettison Travel Crew. We're here at Istanbul, so I'm gonna try their favorite hummus. I'm gonna try the original one. So let's give it a whirl. See how it tastes like. Oh wow. I gotta admit, that's one of the best hummus I ever taste. Okay, let me try the cinnamon one. We're gonna try this time.
Really good.
This is the cinnamon, I believe. Try this out. Oh wow. You taste the honey there too. That's really good. Now, let's try the eggplant. Okay, so this is the eggplant hummus.
The flavor is so good.
Oh wow. Really does taste like eggplant. Very delicious. Highly recommend it. Alright, Jettison Travel Crew, I got the Turkish coffee. So let's take a small sip. So this is the Hakuna Matata. I don't know what it's called, but let's try give it a whirl. You got some pistachio, some sour cream, and some honey. So let's try give it a whirl. Wow. It's really good. You can taste the sucking of the honey. It just oddly tastes sweet and delicious. Highly recommend this dessert. It's not called Hakuna Matata.